What's up, online shoppers? There is really nothing more irritating and gross than having to deal with a rodent problem at your house. We live out in the bush where there's a fair amount of space for varmints and rodents to gather, and I've looked for a solution for a long time. Now, I'll be honest, I was skeptical at first. I've dealt with mice a lot in the past, and it's always been the same routine. Set traps, dread checking them, and then clean up the mess afterwards. It's never fun, and the worst part is it's like an endless cycle. I don't like it. I don't want to do it anymore. That's why I decided to try these BugMD Vamoose packets, rodent repellers, and they work based on a little packet that has a strong scent that rodents like mice and rats don't like. I have been pleasantly surprised with how well they work. Now, my father-in-law has rabbits and chickens, and the rats love to hang out there too. This is something he can put in the hen house and in the rabbit shack and not have to worry that it's going to be consumed by other animals or that his animals are going to get sick. This is like a no-see, no-touch game changer. These don't kill the rodents. They just make them not want to hang around. They have a really strong scent, but it's actually a scent I like. Kind of a pepperminty, eucalyptus, minty fresh scent. It's just this pouch. Comes 4 in a package, resealable, so that you can keep the contents in here fresh when you're not using them. I love that I can tuck these where I've seen signs of rodent activity. It's kind of like a set it and forget it. As long as this is fresh and smells powerful, they don't like to be there. Ingredients in here are a mix of cornmint, citronella, linseed oil. It's herbal, it's minty, not overpowering, and it's definitely better than that chemical smell that you can get when you use other spray-based deterrents. I love that I'm not using harsh chemicals in my house to keep the mice and the rats away. Labeled as people and pet friendly, so I can use them and not be worried about my 4-footed furry friends. Now, what really makes me a fan is how long they last. Whether it's in my garage, my kitchen, camp, attic, or in the shed, you name it, these pouches are ready to go. And when I put them there, every time I walk into the room, I smell the Vamoose. They're mess free. I don't have to clean anything up. Once these stop being effective, I can just pick them up and pitch them in the garbage. And there's no plastic, so I don't have to worry about putting extra plastic into a landfill. This is something that's going to work over time. It's not going to be an instant deterrent, but it definitely is going to deter varmints like rats and mice from hanging around in the spaces where you would prefer they don't. This is a definite win in my book. My final words, well, if you're tired of gross rodent control and you just want them gone without dealing with bodies and things like that, these BugMD Vamoose pouches are a great alternative. Set them and forget them, and then enjoy the fresh scent, but breathe easy knowing that those critters are staying away. And that's why these Vamoose packages by BugMD are definitely a family favorite at my house.